Hello, welcome back. So now I'm going to be explaining you what is trim and extend, what is single trim or multiple trim. So here you can see this tool can be used on wall or beam mostly, or line based element, or on the 2D lines. So I'm going to explain you the concept in case if you're having two walls crossing like this. So what you can do, I'm going to copy them here and I'm going to be showing you. So go to modify, trim, and here you can see trim extend corner. So Revit is showing you how to do it. Now the video is not loading, I'm going to show you straight away. Click on the tool and select the first wall and select the second wall. So here you should know that, so whichever the wall you want to retain, that wall you should select. So first wall I want to retain and the second wall I want to retain. So here you can see, so the outside is trimmed. The second one, in case if you're having a wall like this and you want to take this wall till here, so that one you can do it manually, otherwise you can select and you can drag this point till here. Otherwise what you can do, go to trim or extend single means a single time. Okay, so the video is playing, you can see that the same operation I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to select the tool, select the wall. So first you have to select the reference wall. So I'm going to select the reference and I'm going to select the wall to trim. That's it. So the same option if you want to do it multiple times. So here there is a third option, trim extend multiple. In case if I have a wall, too many walls I have, and I want all of this wall to be extended till here, so that time I can go to trim, take trim extend multiple, select and select the reference and select the first wall, second wall, third wall, click. You can select how many times you want, but the first click should be your reference. The second click you can select so which element you want to extend. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.